last lecture we are done with the one sentence that temperature and light values are maximum in the equator region and it decreases gradually towards the polar regions. So next sentence you write, actually this is the last lecture of this chapter. खुश थे telling you of this chapter. Now you write the types of vegetation from sea level to measuring altitudes are similar to increasing the latitude. So when you move from the equator region, fine, to the polar region, different sea, plant diversity is related to the altitude, or you say that latitude. So different types of the plants are distributed to the different region according to the environmental adaptation. Okay, so I mean to say that when you move from the equator to the polar region, different plants are variated, situated at the different latitude or altitude, whatever you say, but similar type to the deviation. Okay, and here the plants are distributed according to the different types of the atmosphere. See, when you consider on the mountain region, along with that the height, along with that altitude or latitude, different plants are situated over the mountain also. Okay, so here this statement states that the equal increasing in the different plants when you move from the equator to the polar region. Okay. So next is biome. Last topic, fine, biome, and then we will complete this chapter. Large ecosystem is called as biome. Large ecosystem, for example, desert biome, forest biome, grassland biome. Fine. I hope you understand these words. Mainly large aquatic ecosystem as well as terrestrial ecosystem called as biome. And one diagram is given there in textbook, biome related. Okay, so that diagram, please you remember that. In that diagram, some word missing, fine. And you have to identify the shape, and according to that you have to give the name of that biome. Fine. So diagrammatic MCQs are also available. Diagrammatic MCQs are also there in NEET exam also, in GUJSET also. Okay. In board exam, GUJSET exam, diagrammatic questions are there. So please concentrate on the diagrams. Fine. So the question will be there. So mainly large aquatic and terrestrial ecosystem known as biome. Now tundra biome. Tundra biome it is situated. See, different biomes are given in the diagrams. So I will tell you the each and every biome in detail. Fine. Where it is located, which type of the plants are located in that biome, and another names are also there. So according to the MCQ page, we can go through it. Fine. And then we will complete this topic as well as this chapter. Fine. So tundra it is situated above 60° north latitude, or you say that north timberline, north of timberline or tree line. See, now the question is moving in your mind that what is timberline? So you write the meaning of the timberline. Line beyond which trees are not found. Timberline means the line beyond which trees are not found. So here you write the major points in the tundra. The soil is covered by snow and ice. The soil is covered by snow and ice. I can speak the sentences and you write that, okay? So majority important points are here. So if I can write here and you can write, then much more time is taken for that. Okay? So here the soil is covered by snow and ice. So bracket you write permafrost. 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 So in tundra region, majority the soil is covered by snow as well as ice. At 3,600 meter. At 3,600 meter height of Himalayas, called alpine tundra. (3,600 meter height of Himalayas, known as alpine tundra. Annual rainfall is low, 25 centimeter per year. Annual rainfall is low, majority 25 centimeter per year, very low. In the tundra you write this point, also known as treeless biome. Next point, tree and shrubs are absent. So it is known as Arctic desert. So it is known as Arctic desert. The most important one, next sentence. It is most delicate. It is most delicate and fragile biome. It is most delicate and fragile biome. Lichen, moss, and grasses are commonly seen. Lichens, mosses, and grasses are commonly seen in this region. So here, according to the explanation, treeless biome, fine, alpine desert, Arctic desert, fine. These words are very, very important for NEET exam. Next you write northern coniferous or needle leaf forest. Northern conifers. See, in textbook coniferous forest are there, right? So you make this heading. Or it is known as needle leaf forest. It is also known as needle leaf forest. Needle leaf. It is also known as તાઇગા, તાઇગાના જંગલો કહેવાય ગુજરાતીમાં, તાઇગા TAIGA, और नॉर्थ वुड, नॉर्थ वुड, वुड वुड WOOD, situated immediately south of the tundra, situated immediately south of the tundra, distributed over 1700 to 3000 meter altitude in Himalaya. 1700 to 3000 meter altitude in Himalaya. Annual rainfall (50 to 170 centimeter per year). Average winter temperature, average winter temperature is 6 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius in summer. Annual average temperature 6 degree in winter and 20 degree in summer. It is also known as evergreen temperate forest. It is also known as evergreen temperate forest. Next point, pines, PINES, pines. Deodar, DEODAR, cypress, CYPRESS, are commonly found vegetations in this region. Next, temperate deciduous forest. Next is temperate deciduous forest. It lies in temperate zone. It lies in temperate zone about 40 to 60 degree north altitude. Sorry, no altitude, latitude you write. You write L in beginning. Latitude and 1500 to 2400 meter altitude, lateral altitude, central location. Again I tell you this sentence. It lies in temperate zone about 40 to 60 degree north latitude and 1500 to 2400 meter altitude central location. Annual rainfall is about 100 to 250 centimeter. Next, in this region, broad-leaved oak plant. Broad-leaved oak. Also known as quercus, is seen in this region. So it is also known as broad-leaved forest. It is also known as broad-leaved forest. Next point, trees shed their leaves in autumn. Trees shed their leaves in autumn and bear again in spring. Now, the next heading, tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest. It is found in Eastern Himalaya and Western Ghat. Eastern Himalaya and Western Ghat. Okay, wait. You know that there are total 34 biosphere reserves or hotspots in the world. Can you know? In the beginning, total 25 hotspots were there. But new 9 hotspots were added inside. As a result, total hotspots are 34, and out of this total 34 hotspots, 3 hotspots are there in India. Fine. So tropical rainforests are seen in the Eastern Himalaya and Western Ghat. It is present in Assam, West Bengal. It is present in Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, and Andaman in India. large amount of rainfall occur. Large amount of rainfall occur. At least 200 to 450 centimeter per year. To 450 centimeter per year. Annual rainfall, highest rainfall occurs in this region. It is richest in flora and fauna. It is richest in flora and fauna. Highest species of plants and animals are seen in this region. Cascata, Viscum, Lorenthus, Cascata, Viscum, Lorenthus, Coronbecki. I am telling about the name of the plants. Cascata, Viscum, Lorenthus, Coronbecki, Rafflesia, Striga, and Santalum. Bracket you write Chandan. Santalum, bracket you write Chandan, are commonly seen in this region. So actually these all are parasitic plants. So majority the parasitic plants, Viscum, Lorenthus, Cascata, you know that partial parasite and total parasite, we have learned this in the 5th chapter of 11th standard. The modification of the root, stem, leaves, like that we have discussed in the 5th chapter of the 11th standard. So highest biodiversity is seen in the tropical rainforest, and that's why these tropical rainforests are also known as Amazonian rainforest, and it is also known as lung of the planet. Clear? So this is about the tropical rainforest. Next, tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest widely in the northern and southern part of the country. Widely in the northern and southern part of our country, in plain and low hilly area. In plain and low hilly area. Annual rainfall 90 to 160 centimeter per year. Annual rainfall 90 to 160 centimeter per year. Leaves of most of all trees. Leaves of most of all trees summer. Sultry. ખબર છે ને સાલનું લાકડું બહુ સારું વપરાય. Sultry. Scientific name Shoya robusta is commonly seen in this region. એટલે actually tropical deciduous forest છે ને એને sal forest કહેવાય છે. It is also known as sal forest because majority sal trees are commonly seen in this region. Next, you make a heading. Chaparral biome. Chaparral biome or Mediterranean scrub forest. It is seen in South America and the south coast of Australia. Limited rain during winter. Limited rain during winter and remaining time it is dry. So in winter season very less rainfall occurs and remaining time is dry. Fine. Drought resistance plants are commonly seen in this biome. Fire resisted evergreen plants. Fire resisted evergreen plants, small trees, and shrub like plants are seen in this region. Next heading, tropical savanna biome. It is also called as tropical grassland. It is also known as tropical grassland. Located in South America and Australia. Located in South America and Australia. Rainfall is seasonal and very high. Rainfall is seasonal and very high. Acacia એટલે બાવળ. Ziziphus એટલે બોરડી, right? Acacia, Ziziphus and Prosopis. 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 Actually Prosopis cineraria એટલે એને ખીજડો કહેવાય. ખીજડો, ખીજડીયા હનુમાન સાંભળ્યું હોય તો. Actually this Prosopis cineraria, yes, ખીજડીયા હનુમાન, રોકડિયા હનુમાન ને એવા બધા અલગ અલગ ટાઈપ્સ આવે. Actually this Prosopis cineraria is religious plant. Same way, you know that Polyalthia longifolia, Asopalo. Polyalthia longifolia, Asopalo. Then people tree, banyan tree. These all are Tulsi, Ocimum sanctum. Okay, so all these plants are religious plants. So similarly like that, Prosopis cineraria એને ખીજડો કહેવાય. બરાબર? So all these plants are located in this region. Acacia, Ziziphus and Prosopis are seen. Next is grassland biome. Annual rainfall 25 to 75 centimeter. Winter and summer have long duration. Winter and summer have long duration. And maximum rainfall occurs in summer. Yes, maximum rainfall occurs in summer. Now you make a small table. Name of the grassland and place. see, steppes and steppes. Only one P difference is there, if you remember. Fine. So this steppes is grassland biome, and whereas steppes is the smallest bone in the body. Fine. And in that steppes only one P is there. In here steppes double P are there. Okay. Now you make a last heading. Desert biome. Annual rainfall is very less. Annual rainfall is very less than 25 centimeters. Annual rainfall is very less than 25 centimeters. Flora and fauna are found very less. The main deserts are Sahara Desert of North Africa, Thar Desert, Thar, T-H-A-R, Thar Desert, Gobi Desert, Desert, Gobi Desert, and Tibet. Of Asia, right? And the last two sentences. Gobi Desert is cold forest. Sorry, cold desert. Okay, forest को शेयर नहीं, plants को पूछा है. Gobi Desert is cold desert, and the last point, Sahara and Thar Desert are hot desert. Sahara and Thar Desert are hot desert. So this is about the 13th chapter.